Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and you can make much more cryptocurrency from this website that I will share with you. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. This website launched a new day 4 days ago. $1 USD I've earned, and this much users this website. I have no withdrawal because a lot of people make withdrawal but didn't withdraw $1. Okay, after other people withdraw $1, this will be counting down. Okay, this website pay you instantly to your faucet pay, no minimum withdrawal, and this two cryptocurrency available in this website. Okay, first of all I click register to show you how you can register yourself. Put your email, username, password, and confirm password. You can easily make an account in here. I just click in here, I register myself. Just click in here, put my email address and my password to log in to show you how you can earn from this website. First of all, confirm your email address. Just click resend. This will be send you an email to a Gmail to you. Put in here and you can confirm it. Okay, the first way earning from here is faucet. You can claim your free faucet from here every 5 minutes. This much tokens this will be pay you, and you can easily solve this little capture in here. So 2, it's 6 and 9, and just solve this little capture. After solving, just click your reward. Okay, and then I come here in the short links. You can visit the all short links available in here, and you can earn this much tokens and this much energy, and this much short links is available in here. You can visit all short links available. The next way is a PTC hats. Right now 3 PTC hats available in this website because this website is a brand new website. I will be sharing with you a withdrawal proof after 1 or 2 weeks from this website. The next way is a lottery ticket. This is the lottery ticket contest is available in here. You can buy a lottery ticket. Every lottery ticket cost is this much tokens, and if you win, you can easily win that much tokens. And the next way is achievements. They didn't have an achievements. Auto faucet. If you just watch the all short links, you can easily make auto faucet from here. And the next way is offer wall. You can complete offers, or you can visit the some things from here. Visit the websites and you can earn some tokens from here too. And you can easily make a referral commission from here, and you can go to the leaderboard. You can see the contest in here, but there are no contests available for right now because this is a brand new website. This is the person have this much referral, 1 referral, and this much tokens this will be earned. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on website. And thanks for watching, guys, and bye bye for now.